In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a translation. A translation is another word for a slide. You've got a couple of options for how to create a translation. The first is that you can make one directly from the graph. The other option I'm going to show you first is how to use a table to help you. This example asks us to translate the triangle 5 units to the right. If I'm going to translate 5 units to the right, that means that I need to add 5 to each of my x values. -5 plus 5 is 0, -3 plus 5 is 2, and -1 plus 5 is 4. It also asks us to translate 2 units up, which means we need to look at our y values this time. So I'm going to add 2 to each of those. -2 plus 2 is 0, -3 plus 2 is -1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Finally, I'm going to graph those points. So 0, 0, 2, -1, and finally 4, 3. Connect those together, and I should get a triangle that's simply been slid over 5 units to the right and 2 units up. If I wanted to double check by looking at my graph, I could just count across and make sure that it really did go 5 units to the right and 2 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Yep, it looks like I got that one right. I could check all 3 points if I wanted to, but it looks like in this example, everything's in the right place. The 2 triangles look like they're the exact same size. It's just that one has been slid or translated.